Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this simple evening snack, which is potato garlic bites. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here I have 4 boiled mashed potatoes. To this add 6 to 9 crushed garlic, paste of 2 green chillies, half spoon of chili flakes, about half a spoon of oregano. Here I am using black salt. You can use regular salt as well. Add as per your requirement. Half a spoon of garlic powder. This is optional. You can replace it with ginger garlic paste. Add half a spoon of chaat masala. 2 spoons of cornflour. 1 spoon of rice flour. Add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can grind 2 slices of bread or you can grind some unflavored rusk and use it. Now knead it to a smooth dough. Now refrigerate it for about 15 minutes. Now take a small portion of the dough. Using your palm, give it a round shape like this. You can also give it a shape of your choice as well. Now with this dough, I was able to make 15 such bites. Now for the cornflour slurry, add 2 spoons of cornflour, 1/4 spoon of salt, about 1/4 cup of water. Now mix it well with no lumps. Now dip it in the cornflour slurry. The slurry acts like a glue and helps the breadcrumbs to stick to it. So coat it well with the breadcrumbs. Now repeat the same with the rest. Now heat some oil for deep fry. I'm gonna add them in batches. Make sure the flame is between low to medium. Keep moving them in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now fry until they turn golden brown. They should look something like this. Now remove them and keep it aside. Now repeat the same with the rest. So here we go, they are super crispy and you can serve it with some green chutney or any dip of your choice. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.